Hey guys, this is an old customer system that I just wanted to show today. This is a episode 7.2.2 system that we put in about a year ago. Still really cool. This was before we started doing YouTube, so I thought I'd show it to you. We got a 110-inch screen and the episode 900 series, front, left, and right, 1700 series center. We got a couple 10-inch Evolution series subs on the front and the rear of the room. We have the 1700 bipoles for our surrounds and our surround rears, and then overhead here we have the 1700 series bipole. Pretty cool little system. Definitely hits really hard, and it gives an incredible audio experience. The projection still is a little outdated. He's running 1080p Optima. What you can see we did back here is really cool as well. We did a rack setup where we cut everything into the garage and fully enclosed that with sheetrock in the back side, and we're ventilating everything out with these cool component fans. You got the Watt box we've been using for years, Onkyo receiver, Blu-ray player, and then all of our Sonos for the distributed audio throughout the home, and Pro Control processing for controlling our devices through radio frequency so he doesn't have to point it. And this is the Strong FS series you can see we've been using for years. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like us to do a theater for you, just give us a call or shoot us an email, and we can ship these products nationwide with free shipping. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.